All right, guys, kicking off the weekend. We're doing something a little different, always trying to mix it up. So we're here at a Straight Up Driven member, a friend of ours. His name is Dave, but we call it George's Speed Shop. They do a lot of RC car racing. So we're here to learn from the experts. We're gonna go out and practice today, have some fun, and see what happens. You don't want me to drive that. I'll wreck it.
Not this one. Yours is like this.
Oh, okay.
We need a video.
I'm definitely wrecking the first one. We're going to have to buy extras. I already know we're going to need them. Because it's just my human nature to really test it and see what its capabilities are.
Agreed.
Yeah, I just have to.
Maybe I'll have to rethink you taking my car down the canyon and, you know, let you get used to it.
You know the great thing is, though, Dave? We can just buy another one.
If you break my car, you're right. You can buy another. You are absolutely.
All right, we got to see what this thing can do. Oh shit! It kicked up. Bro, it throws some dirt. Oh.
It's so heavy, it acts like a regular car. That does, you know, that does.
Here it comes back. Oh!
Ooh, that's not good.
Woo! That was close. That thing is sick.
You do not want to get hit by that.
No, you definitely don't want to get hit by that. Little drift. All right, guys, we followed Dylan over to Hobbytown. Obviously, this is where he gets his stuff done, I guess. So we're gonna go in and see if these guys can hook us up, figure something out. Which one's faster? Which one's better, bro?
Well, you saw my little open little.
So I bought the XO1.
Okay.
It was the fastest one you could get.
But he wants an off-road car to match.
But I'm thinking with the bumps in the freeway, the XO1's not going to work. Like I want the best of the best, the fastest. Because if the XO1 doesn't drive on the freeway because of those big bumps, the departures, this might, with the bigger tires, might. But I need something that's going to do like 70 miles an hour.
What do you think of this Arma one versus that Super Rock Ray?
Because that one's pretty fast.
So this is Straight Up Driven RC Car California Freeway Part 1?
Hopefully part 1 and the last part for sure.
Part 1 and done?
Part 1 and done.
All right, are we taking bets if the RC car survives?
How about $1,000 worth of bet, because that's what it's worth.
$1,000 RC car?
Yeah.
So you should crash it on purpose.
Definitake not.
Bro,
Let's
people
roll,
want to
bro.
see this flipping down the freeway. I want to see it flipping down the freeway.
We'll definitely flip. Well, hey, we'll put some like animation, like fake flipping.
Going to jail.
we hit 53. What was it? 58?
58 miles an hour.
58 miles per hour.
Redo next time. Let's roll. Before the cops come.
Yeah, let's get out of here.